Hi, I'm David.
Hello, I'm Arzina.
Hi, I'm Rufi.
Okay, and now we're here in Istanbul after 3 days in Cappadocia, and we want to show you our Airbnb that we've rented for the month. So when you come in to the right, you see a big, beautiful living room with 1, 2, 3 couches, an AC unit, which we haven't really run too much because the weather is actually perfect. You see some of the beautiful decorations. And then over here we have the TV with cable, and it has YouTube
Netflix.
video, Netflix, pretty much everything.
Amazon
Yeah,
Prime.
Amazon. So it's definitely full of entertainment options.
So this is the additional bedroom. It could be a kid's room. It is dad's room. It comes with 2 twin beds, AC unit. There is an iron and ironing board. The closet is really nice.
Plenty of room for
Plenty
all your
of room.
clothes.
They give you a lot of space. There are extra blankets. I mean, this is huge.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
obviously.
What do you
Another thing
think,
is
Pop?
they have kept a lot of blanket, a lot of bed sheet, extra
Pillows.
pillows, extra.
Very comfortable.
Convenient.
Yeah,
very nice,
and very comfortable. Yeah.
Okay, so going on to, so this is the hallway where you come in from, and as soon as you come in, you get the living space or the dining space more. More space, more area to kind of rest, relax, have a nice meal with the family. They have an oven right there.
Oven and toaster at the same time. You can
Yeah,
roast
they
the
don't have a
chicken.
full-size oven, which we'll show you in the kitchen, but this is actually very efficient, and it doesn't heat up the whole apartment.
They offered us, they even had paper towels, paper towel holder. We didn't have to worry about anything. They even have.
Again, some more of the decorations real quick.
Very
So
nice.
it's very tastefully decorated.
They have a shoe rack. And obviously, as you can see, we made this a little homely for us with a little few things that are very near and dear to our heart.
Yes.
And as you go into the kitchen, David, you
So
go ahead.
I would say in the kitchen, now it really feels like home because as you see, we have artwork from my grandson Keaton and Tina's little girl Jocelyn. So everywhere we go, we'll put these little pieces up so it definitely feels like home. It's a small kitchen, but it's very efficient. You've got everything you could pretty much imagine.
It's perfect for
Yeah,
us.
microwave, we've got all kinds of snacks. And as you probably saw earlier, there's a lot of food on the table. We'll get to that in a minute.
They offer you the dishes, really everything you need to have meals. You could order in. There are cups, saucer, mugs, everything. The
And
drawers
The coffee and tea were already here.
provided.
They had, the refrigerator had plenty of water, cold water.
They have
And
again,
then they also, so they provide the 5-gallon jugs of water for fresh drinking water.
they also have pots and pans for cooking. Literally everything you need. They had dish soap.
Yeah, it's not like you have to go to the store and buy everything when you
No.
got here.
Right.
Really, we waited a day and a half to even go get a few things. So then this is the master bedroom. So nice big pillow, or not what, memory foam,
Yes.
memory foam bed. So
Really
I'm
good
gonna
desk.
I'm gonna point out the drying rack, and you'll understand more about that in a second. And then we have a desk for our workspace as we're both teaching remotely, working online. Teaching online, working remotely is what I meant to
I already
say.
started teaching, and Wi-Fi was excellent, and I was able to teach online.
And then as you come in here, we have our bathroom. So this is the washer. No, it's actually a washer dryer combination, but the
doesn't
dryer
dry.
part doesn't dry with heat. It dries with spinning and cool air. So that doesn't really work too well. So we're just using the drying rack. Again, nice big walk-in shower, toilet.
Closet. Lots
Oh
of
yeah,
storage space.
storage space. And again, it came with laundry detergent. All this stuff was already here,
Toilet
so we didn't
paper.
have to buy any stuff that you would find on a, daily basis type things that you would need.
Same thing here, closet, lots of closet space. You do kind of set up based on.
Yeah, so you feel like you're home. We're here for 30 days. And without getting into too much detail, I will just say that this very nice, spacious 2-bedroom condo in a great neighborhood of Istanbul is substantially less than what we were paying for a 1-bedroom apartment in Houston. And then this is Pa's bathroom. So you're getting 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms,
And there's closet
living room,
space.
kitchen, dining room.
And come and see, there's a lot of closet space right here. Towels, everything.
Everything you could imagine.
Yep.
All right, so now let's get to some more of the cost of living part. Arzina, why don't you kind of show a little bit about what we have here, and I'll
So
go over the cost.
today we decided to go do some groceries, and we will sit down and go through the details of what all this grocery bill looks like, so you can get an idea. Why don't you have a seat, David, and go ahead and look at the receipt and speak
All right.
of each
Well,
item.
I don't know that I can translate every item because
Yeah.
it's in Turkish, but this is the first one I want to point out. This mouthwash, Colgate, so it's buy one and it's like a little package deal, buy one, get one free, was 20 lira. So to put that in perspective, 20 lira is less than $2.50.
No way.
This alone back in Houston would cost us maybe $5.
Exactly.
And
I mean,
Okay.
there are sales everywhere you go in the world, but if you're a smart shopper, you can always find deals. And this serves us really well because we'll use the big one and Dad will use the smaller one.
yeah. So
Okay.
organic eggs.
They come in a pack of 10.
Yeah, $2. So that's about what you'd pay, depending on. Well, for organic though, you're going to always pay more. I think we were paying $3.49 for a dozen. So the total bill for all this: 2 chips, couple drinks, these little pomegranate things are so refreshing. Loaf of bread, fresh produce, some chicken sausage. All that came out to 107.8 lira, which is not even $13. So that's how we can afford to stay and live here in Istanbul for a month.
Let me show you again the groceries. So you have your double pack of Colgate mouthwash, your 10-pack organic eggs, brown eggs, a little pack of chicken or turkey sausage, I think, 4 plums, beautiful grapes, some kind of cherry tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper or red pepper, a loaf of bread, 2 little drinks that David and I are enjoying, peach and apricot juices that Dad wants to try out. Coke Zero or Diet Coke is what they have. I wonder whose that is for.
I don't know.
2 bags of chips in the back. Sometimes we just get the shawarma sandwiches and we want a little chips on the side. And a little bottle of olive oil. And all of that is how much again, David Moore?
$13.
Okay.
$13, folks. So the other thing is when we go out to eat a meal, for 3 of us, it's typically anywhere from $10 to $15. For all 3 of us, entree, sometimes even appetizer, and service is usually included, and if not, 10% is more than adequate for tipping in Europe.
All right.
So that
we
kinda
wanted to. Yeah, go ahead.
That kind of wraps things up for this little video, this portion of Istanbul. Maybe a little later on we'll show you a little bit of the neighborhood and how convenient this location is. But until next time, live more,
Laugh more
love more,
and travel more.